My dad's on the phone in the kitchen, but... Oh, wait. Comment down below what hat I should wear. Even though I won't see this comment until I upload this video and it won't even be helpful. This one, this is my outfit. I have my swimsuit top on under this, but then these are just really comfortable shorts. This top is from White Fox. This is my Brew Kindness hat. Or black Lincoln Bio hat, because the black would match the shorts. I think white actually. What's so good is that today we're going to the beach, so I don't have to get ready at all. This is the bathing suit that I'm wearing, like this really cute 437 swimmer one. I'm so excited. I'm getting sent Hannah Malosh's swimsuits with Kalani's bikinis. I'm so excited for that. It would be awesome if I could have had them for this trip, because all of mine are like $5. Yeah, this is mom's tribute. Okay, so I made it to the lake. It's really not a beach. Oh, I just got a text. We have these little chairs in the shade at the complete back of this whole thing because this is a very popular area and we have to wait till other ones in the sun maybe open up. I think I need another coffee. Something about just like being on vacation, even though I got 8 hours of sleep last night, I need another coffee for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe it's like the sun being in the heat. Since I'm not really used to it, it's kind of exhausting. I didn't charge them. They're literally dead. Oh my gosh, it's so warm. Come on, fishies. They're coming. They're coming. It tickles, it tickles, it tickles, it tickles, it. It tickles so bad. That's so funny. It just feels like seaweed brushing against you.
Yeah, it does.
It doesn't feel like nibbles at all. This reminds me of that one Victorious episode. We're at this restaurant. It's called Beta. I am getting something that I don't usually get. First of all, we have appetizers. Look at this Greek salad. Look at that little... So cute. It's really nice presentation here. This is the little vibe. And then we also got shrimp as an appetizer. This is my shrimp cleaning routine. Shrimp. Take the tail. Take that off. Take that off. Ow! Fudge. Okay, this is a very fancy place though. He served us our own appetizers separately and they keep like refilling our water. It's really good service. You're eating, and then you look up there. It's, you know, it's just the Acropolis, you know, just chilling. And the Parthenon, all lit up, view right there. Guys, this is insane. Insane. This is my reaction eating it. Let me redo it.
It's risotto.
It's
and
risotto.
What kind of risotto? Yeah.
Shrimp, coconut milk, herbs. That's pretty much it. Like I'm gonna have to go back to eating the same salad every single day, which I'm not complaining, but this is gonna be a little bit of a different thing. That right there, wait, where's my finger? That's the moon, that's the Parthenon, and that's risotto. Good morning, everyone. I feel like this vlog is going to be so choppy because it's like broken up into days. Right now, I'm eating strawberries, and I am just kind of figuring out what courses I want to take at uni in the fall. Yeah, so I'm just looking at all of the courses, kind of trying to like build my schedule before I even register for courses with like the visual schedule builder that they have. Love that they're so organized. This is so fun for me. Like I love doing this. I was doing it at the airport before and now I just want to finish because course registration is June 22nd. Today I feel like it's going to be just super chill. Like I'm doing laundry right now to make sure that all our clothes are washed. After today we only have one more day here, so we're just trying to get everything done so that tomorrow we can just do whatever we want. Tonight we might go out for dinner. Like I will get all ready, maybe put my little dress on, like my new dress. I'm just trying to get work done and hopefully I can start editing a bit. Really fun stuff here.
It'll tell you under class seats how many seats are still available. So I want to add myself to the wait list. It's the same process as I showed for registering for classes.
Fit check. Okay. I'm gonna have a Freddo cappuccino.
Freddo cappuccino?
Yeah.
Me too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Tapara me dio Freddo cappuccino. Thank you. Posto leme korisgat zakajne sketos. Sketos.
That looks so good. I literally look like Sharpay right now.
Yeah.
I wanted to show, I didn't show the jewelry that I got because when we went to the jeweler, I picked out 2 rings that I am going to buy, but he basically custom makes them to your to your ring size. So I'm not going to share what they are yet because then that's something to look forward to, but I got 2 rings and I'm so excited about them, and they're real gold, so they're not going to tarnish. And then I also just wanted a little pendant for this real gold chain that I already had. It looks the exact same color as my swimsuit, so I thought I would show it now. So it is gold plated, circle pendant, gold on the outside with this blue stone. I think right now oh, it makes my eyes look so blue. Wow. So this is actually just my medical alert bracelet that I'm wearing. Necklace. So I think this is gonna be something that I wear literally every day. I'm gonna go out on the balcony and tan for a bit. Maybe get some editing done. Not sure. Let's go tan. Oh. So why don't we run away? Don't worry, you are my own. This is the shirt that I bought at one of the little stores in Monastiraki. It is so pretty. So it just ties up on the neck and in the back. And then I think I'm gonna bring these sunglasses just to add something to the look, because I feel like I've had, oh. Hey. And my blue necklace goes with the blue in the shirt. I'm probably just gonna leave my hair like this because it's kind of wavy because I sleep with it in a bun. So if I posed like that, so you can see the back of the tie, you get what I'm. So we're gonna have lunch and then go?
We are indeed.
I look a little bit different than the last time I vlogged because the last time I was just planning my little look. Now I kind of have the look down. I actually did my makeup, which I haven't really been doing here. So Q already showed you my top. And we're not gonna look at my bottoms because you're not supposed to know what I'm wearing on the bottom. My eyes are so green. You can't really see though. You can't really see. Let's see if I can. Oh, there you can kind of see. We are walking to go shopping, go have dinner, take photos. I need to get this video for my reel, and that's it.
That's about enough.
That's about the agenda for the evening. And I'm keeping my hair in this little messy low bun because I'm gonna take it out and hopefully it'll be curled. I didn't forget to bring, but I didn't think that they wouldn't have like hair curlers because I thought they would have one, but I don't know why, because I don't think they usually have that. But now I'm too tired from holding my vlog camera up.
Oh, yeah.
What the heck? I don't know where we are!
Someone's taking a picture of you.
I saw this flower in my hair. Okay, this looks like a rave. I have no idea what. Wait, let me take a photo of it. I have to delete a bunch of stuff because I'm out of storage. This is how loud I like my music. Actually, this is like medium. When we were there were like professional people filming for this band. It basically was like an outdoor club. That's how I could describe it. Whenever I would walk by, they would just take videos of me, like the people with the cameras, and I felt like I was a paparazzi. Also, we passed by people that were like filming a movie or something, or like a commercial. It was really cool, and I was like, can I be in it? But no, I didn't actually ask that. But I want to know where those photos are gonna be, because like I want to see myself on a little Instagram. Paparazzi these days, they just follow me to Greece. What can you do? So we're currently at another beach. I just had the really spontaneous idea to go to a beach on our last day here. I just feel like it needed to happen. And there's a bunch of huts. We actually rented these 2 chairs and we got a hut, and I just took some photos, and I'm gonna edit the photos while my dad's tanning now. But I think it's really good that I have this last time to get tan. Like it can be like my last tanning session. I'm gonna listen to some music. I actually charged my AirPods this time, which is really good for me. This is what the beach looks like. It's kind of busy, but not too busy. And there's like a little bar over there. Are we gonna get coffee?
Oh, we definitely need a coffee.
Yeah, I think we will.
And if you see a guy pass, just order one from him.
Okay.
Okay, like a Freddo.
Also, we're not gonna go swimming because apparently there's some jellyfish issue here, and I would rather not get stung. With all the other medical issues that I have, I don't really think I want like a little virus from a jellyfish right now. Last night here, and I just met these lovely angels. Hi! Can you say your names? My name is Maria. And my name is Anna. I'm Georgia. Love from Greece. A pretty picture for the ones that are lost in life. But even dreamers I can't even believe I'm sitting here right now. I'm home. I'm home. Like, this is crazy. Okay, there's a fly in my room. It was literally making me go insane. The trip on the way back wasn't the smoothest. If you guys were following along on my Instagram story, all of you were saying like, this is literally a movie. Like, this is so dramatic. Our first flight from Athens to Amsterdam got delayed so much that we missed our second flight, so our connecting flight. And not only did we miss it, we got rebooked till the next morning. So we had to stay overnight in Amsterdam. It gets worse, hold on. We basically went to the people that worked at like the arrivals help desk at the airport in Amsterdam, and we were like, hey, so how does this work? Like, where do we get our luggage? Like, is our luggage getting sent straight to Toronto? And also, do you have like accommodations? Like, do you have connections to hotels and meals and rides to the hotels and stuff? They're basically like, yeah, we usually do. Because of the amount of people that we have to get a room for, we don't have enough rooms. So you're gonna have to find it yourself. Find your own hotel, find your own taxi, get your own dinner. You're gonna have to keep the receipts, fill out this form, send us the receipts so that we can reimburse you. But there were like limits on everything. And then we were like, okay, we were just so tired. We were like, okay. So then I started looking up all these hotels that were nearby, and all of them were booked. I don't know why. It's just so busy. Like, traveling right now is insane. They were all booked, the ones that were near the airport, except for one. I kept trying to book them, and then it had been like, oh, the last room just got taken. Then I finally booked one that was like 9 kilometers away from the airport. We got a taxi. We got the information that our luggage is just going to be sent straight to Toronto, so we don't have to worry about that. We got to our Amsterdam hotel. Then we crashed at the hotel. I got 5 hours of sleep, woke up the next morning, go super early to Amsterdam airport because there was a strike, so everything is so slow. The line for security was 45 minutes long. We were just so thankful that we didn't have to check our luggage. So then we just got on our plane. It was only delayed like half an hour, which was fine. Get on our plane, and we realized that my gluten-free meal that I was supposed to get on the plane from yesterday isn't transferred to this plane. So they didn't have a gluten-free meal for me, and they didn't have any gluten-free meals at all on the plane. They didn't know the ingredients that were inside the regular meals, so they basically gave me a little tiny salad that was about this big, and then a Greek yogurt and a little fruit cup. But we actually did end up landing at the correct time. So then we get off our flight and we're like, hey, we need to find where our luggage is, because we're not sure if it would be on the same luggage. Like, I feel like this fly keeps flying in front of the frame. I swear. Can I kill it? Oh, there's no way I'm killing that. That was actually so embarrassing. We didn't know if it would be on the same luggage carousel as the Amsterdam flight, or because it was sent straight to Toronto, we didn't know if it would be like on a different carousel. So we go and ask the lady at the luggage claim service desk, and we're like, so which carousel would our luggage be on? She's like, it would be on the same one. Your luggage can't arrive before you arrive, so it would be on the Amsterdam like plane that you just came off of. So we wait there, and we wait there. And we wait there, and the thing's going around and around, and our luggage isn't there. So our luggage wasn't on the carousel. Then we had to go back to the lady, and we're like, hey, our bags didn't come. And then she said that we have to fill out this form, and that basically they were put on a different flight, and she's trying to track them. They're trying to track them down. So basically, I don't have my suitcase. Still don't have it. We came home. I was starving, so I got food. It's like I literally just got home like maybe an hour ago, and I just kind of been like eating. My brother picked us up from the airport because we're just not gonna get our luggage today. Like, it's just not possible. So they're probably gonna email us within like the next 3 days to give back our luggage, but like all of my summer clothes are in there basically. My extra contacts, but thank gosh I left some at home. I have some jewelry in there, all of my skincare, all of my toiletries, all of my makeup, just in my luggage. So I really do think that they're gonna find it though. It was just kind of like the icing on top of the cake, because the journey to get to Greece was so chaotic, and then the journey from Greece was so chaotic, and now the journey in Toronto was so chaotic. I'm like, what is going on? But now I am so tired and I need to do editing, but my brain is like choppy. I need to like drink coffee and then start editing, and then probably take like a bunch of breaks. So I am like staring at this fly. It's really getting on my nerves. I feel like I need to just calm down for a second. And also, I haven't been able to see this whole flight. No, since yesterday I haven't been able to see because I didn't have contact solution or my contacts case to take my contacts out at the hotel. So I just had to throw them out because they're like monthlies, and all the pharmacies were closed when we were in Amsterdam. So we had no way to like keep my contacts moist, and you can't just put them in water. Like, you need solution. So I just had to throw them out, and all my extra contacts are in the luggage that was still on the plane. I'm gonna have such an amazing sleep tonight. I think right now it's 4:44 p.m. but I think it's like 12:44 a.m. in Greece time, like the time that I'm used to. I'm so thankful that all these bad things happened in the airport, because now I have literally gone through every single bad thing that can technically go wrong at an airport. Delayed flight, canceled flight, staying in a hotel, getting reimbursed, lost luggage, meal change, like everything. I learned so much. So I'm actually really grateful that I was doing it with my dad. So now I feel a lot more comfortable like doing it by myself at an airport. So my friends that are watching this, let's go travel together, but not right now because the airports are insane. I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching all of my Greece videos. They're gonna be so cinematic, but also very real. I'm gonna be so excited to have that to show my family and friends of like what I did. And I had an amazing time. Like Greece is insane. I'm definitely going back. Thank you guys so much for all the support on the vlogs and my Instagram and my reels and TikToks and everything. I was really trying to get the most content there, but I've been talking for so long, so this needs to stop. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.